Afternoon, everybody. JT here. This is going to be my VR to the SwissArmyZippo's busted EDC gear check. Here we go. We got the front left pocket, big lighter. We got opener number 8, front right, Zippo, for chargers, back right we got wallet, at this, well, I guess it counts. Let's see, first I'll show you my keys. We got paracord key fob, part to the players, lucky tool. On my belt I have, here, I'll just take it off my belt. I just won this from the Moody Bobby 1. It's been on my side since I got it. One more. It's got fire still on it. We go on top of my head, sunglasses. And that's about it, ladies and gentlemen. So, SwissArmyZippo, go check them out. Got quite the comprehensive set of, you guessed it, Swiss Army knives, and he sure likes his Zippos. So, go check them out, guys. I will talk to you later. JT out.